dance is called Margarita Holiday. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall, improver level line dance, starting with right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. Walk forward, right, left. Hold for 1 count. Or step. Step forward, right foot next to left, step forward, left. Right, forward rock, coaster step. Rock forward on right, recover onto left. Back together, forward. Section 2, left. Rock forward, recover. Shuffle half turn left on left, right, left. Quarter left, sachet. Make a quarter left turn, stepping right to right side. Step left next to right, step right to right side. Left, sailor step. Cross step left behind right, step right to right side, step left to left side. Section 3, cross side, sailor step. Cross right, step left to left side, behind side, side. Now it is on the right foot. Touch and wind, half to left. Touch left, behind right. Unwind half to left, weight onto the left foot. Mumble, cross rock side. Cross rock on right, recover on left. Step right to right side. Section 4, cross side, sailor step. Cross left, step right to right side. Left, sailor, behind side, side. Cross, hinge, half turn right. Cross step right. Quarter right turn step back on left. Quarter right turn stepping right to right side. Step forward left. Let's count. 1, 2, hold 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 3. At section 2, you will have a step change on counts 7 and 8. Instead of a left sailor, you will do a left coaster. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 3 starts facing the 6 o'clock wall. 16 counts. 1, 2, hold 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. For count 7 and 8, do a coaster step instead. 7 and 8. And you restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. There's a 4-count tag at the end of wall 1, wall 4, and wall 6. The 4-count tag is rise, rocking chair. Right foot rock forward, recover. Right foot rock back, recover. Wall 1 ends facing the 3 o'clock wall. And you do rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wall 4 starts facing the 9 o'clock wall, ends facing the 12 o'clock wall. Again, 4-count tag, rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wall 6 starts facing the 3 o'clock wall, ends facing the back wall, and you do your attack again. 1, 2, 3,